Hi guys, this is Val and I'm going to give you the steps on how to do dip nails at home using the ROSSI system. So here I am starting out. You see me buffing the shine off of my natural nails. You don't want to be too rough. Before I even did this step, I did wash and sanitize my hands and made sure that they were completely dry before I started buffing them. You see me using an alcohol wipe. This is just to help remove oils from my nail bed. And now I'm using step 1 of the ROSSI system, which is a primer. And that's basically a dehydrator that helps to even further make sure that the nail bed has no oils so that it will help the product stick and there won't be any lifting, hopefully. Make sure you shake up your dip powder so that it's even when you're dipping in your nails. This is step 2, which is the base coat. So you apply a thin, even layer of base coat, and then you dip your nail into the jar at about a 45-degree angle. Repeat this step on your other 4 nails, and once all 5 nails are complete, you can dust off the excess powder with a brush as long as your nails look dry. You don't want to do it too quickly because you can actually remove some of the product off of your nail. So you repeat these steps, and with each layer you get a little bit closer to the cuticle line. I would suggest doing at least 3 layers, but no more than 4. Once you finish dipping the nails on both of your hands, make sure that they're completely dry. You can move on to the next step. And the next step is the activator. The activator is what actually makes your nails hard. So before I get ahead of myself, here I am making sure I get some of that excess powder off. Now I'm showing you guys the activator. And with the activator, you're going to apply a coat to each nail and wait until your nails are completely dry. After this step, I probably waited at least 5 minutes to make sure that my nails, the activator on my nails, was completely dry before I started trying to file my nails or buff them or do anything like that. Once I knew that the activator was completely dry, that's when I started filing my nails to the shape that I wanted. So make sure you file those sides, the top, get that shape that you want. And then also you're going to make sure that you use a buffer to remove any bumps, any lumps. You want your nails to be smooth. So I used a little small buffer first, and then you're going to see me use a bigger buffing block just to make sure my nails were smooth. After this, my nails were very smooth, and that's when I went and washed my hands without soap and made sure my hands were completely dry before I moved on to the last step, which was applying the top coat, step 4. So my nails were completely dry. Just because I'm paranoid, I went back with an alcohol wipe and wiped my nails down again just to make sure that there was no oils, no anything, because I wanted to make sure that this top coat layer was going to look good. So you do apply 2 layers of the top coat and let it dry. Once that is completely dry, I always say in your manicures or nail services with cuticle oil. You don't see me put on the cuticle oil in the video, but I did. And here's some pictures of how it turned out. This is a really easy system to use, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you guys later. Bye.